Cigar-shaped UFO filmed from airplane over China. June 2016 inches. Cigar-shaped UFO filmed from airplane over China. June 2016. June 16, 2016. Cigar-shaped UFO filmed from airplane over China. June 2016. June 2016, China. Cigar-shaped UFO filmed by passenger in flight in the sky of China. The airplane was following the route from Xi'an to Houghton when the passenger noticed this huge strange UFO through the clouds. Many fascinating accounts of flying machines, unexplained celestial observations and close encounters with strange beings can be found quite extensively in historical and literary works from China. For instance, ancient Chinese texts tell of long-lived rulers from the heavens, who flew in fire-breathing dragons, and some descriptions from Chinese history that sounded like UFOs in God, ancient astronauts and China's Yellow Emperor. China has amazing UFO cases, and the Chinese government has helped UFO researchers get their findings to the public. The Chinese believe their earliest ancestors came down from the moon to establish their celestial empire on Earth. Very long time ago, certainly, 1,000 years before Christ, the so-called Suising globes landed on Earth. The globes were luminous and occupied by all-powerful beings, and as the Chinese used to say from antiquity until our own days, we cannot count all Suising which have descended. The Chapter 8 of a very ancient manuscript called Huainetsu describes an idyllic age, when all living creatures on Earth, men and animals, lived in peace and harmony. During this time, the manuscript says, spirits came frequently to the people of Earth, to teach the wisdom of the gods. In the book, China's Major Mysteries, author Paul Dong offers a number of interesting stories that describe how people we confronted with advanced flying craft from outer space. These accounts are fascinating and many of them can be compared to modern UFO sightings. Peeping on the Sky, a text that can be traced to the Tang Dynasty, 618–907, there is curious account of an ancient celestial ship. It is written that in the Tang Dynasty a celestial ship, over 50 feet long, was found and placed in the Linda Hall. The ship gave out a metallic sound when struck, and was a very hard material which was rust-proof. Li Diu, the Tang Prime Minister, cut over a foot of a slender long stick of the ship and carved it into a figure of a Taoist priest. The Taoist figurine flew away and they returned. In the years of Emperor Deming, the figurine disappeared and the ship flew away. About 12,000 years ago an extraterrestrial spacecraft crashed in China. It's an event we remember as the story of the Dropa stones, and it is one of the most covered-up stories in the history of extraterrestrial-human interaction. In more recent times, a rare petroglyph was discovered in a remote, almost inaccessible area of the Huoyagang Hill, near Ceylon Town, Guangdong Province, in southwest China. According to Chen Daiyuan, former director of the museum in Luoding, the carved beam could represent an alien visiting our planet. Subscribe to Section 51. Thank you.
Yo.